So I just got a call from some friends who keep bees. It's kind of hard to see, but a couple of their hives have swarmed and gone up to the top of this little fir tree. So we're gonna put on one of his little suits, his bee suit, climb up there and try and bag them before they fly away. Yeah, interesting. Here we go. So here we are, we got a couple of bee swarms. Here's Todd, he's about to go up the tree. I'm just gonna look up here and see if I can catch the swarms. I don't know. You can see them. They're up near the top of the tree there.
Oh, I see. So this is your first time doing the bee pool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we're on. Got Todd up in the tree there with a pretty massive swarm of honeybees, trying to catch them. A little scary. There's about 100,000 bees up there. But they're really nice honeybees.
Really nice.
No, if you cut the branch they're on, they'll fall. Just cutting around them. Can you take this? It's hard for me to keep looking.
It's not really easier for me. And I'm not protected like mosquitoes. No, this is the best part. You okay?
Hard to get a grip without my.
Real sharp, so I'm trying not to stab it in. I'm just trying to push it in.
Yeah, pretty tough.
And now he's got to climb. Is he going to lower that to you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was going to say he's going to. Are you okay? Oh, gosh.
Yeah, just gotta get a bit higher.
Oh. Well, it's not worth life or anything. If you feel it's unsafe, don't do it.
You're somewhere standing there.
Huh?
So.
He's trying to shake it real hard. You haven't pulled yet? It's going to be pretty heavy.
Just drop the shears if you need to.
Trying to cut the last branch. You get started? There, you got it.
Woohoo, way to go.
I gotta go over there to get it.
Got it?
So there's Darren walking up with the swarm in a garbage bag. And there's just oh. And there you have it, the tree bee man. Awesome.